Hi guys, Chris Lamm here. This is our market update. The first thing we want to touch on is mortgage rates. As many of you have seen, this year we've had record low interest rates. At the end of the year right now, we are seeing interest rates rise a little bit. They're just over 3%, depending on the type of loan that you're looking at. But what we want to pay attention to right now is the actions of the Federal Reserve. All eyes are on the Federal Reserve as we head into the fourth quarter of the year. You know, the Federal Reserve is sort of in a tough spot right now. We do have inflation. It's continuing to rise here in the States, and the Federal Reserve has the tools to taper and to sort of control inflation, but they don't want to do that too early because that could potentially risk slowing the economy down. And so right now, as we head into the fourth quarter, we're all going to be continuing to watch what happens with the Federal Reserve. That will have an impact on mortgage rates and ultimately the housing market. But right now, as we head into the end of the year, rates are still really good. Now, one of the big questions right now is, where is housing going? If we look back over 2021 and even into 2020, we've had the craziest housing market we've ever seen in history. Well, in the fourth quarter, we are starting to see signs of that cooling off a little bit. Now, this doesn't mean that we're going into a crash or we're going to see no appreciation next year. It just means that we're starting to see more homes for sale, and many buyers are excited about that. We are seeing home buyers that couldn't find a house maybe 8 months ago that are now able to find a house today. That being said, if a home is priced aggressively and it's a good house, we are still seeing multiple offers many times on homes that are priced well. So as we head into 2022 and into the fourth quarter of 2021, again, we're going to watch what the Federal Reserve does. We're going to continue to watch home values. And don't be surprised if, as we head into this year, we continue to see more inventory and the types of appreciation we've seen in the last 2 years start to cool off a little bit, which isn't a bad thing because what we've been seeing is not a sustainable market. So we want to highlight some new products. Our company just announced that there are 40-year fixed mortgage coming back into the marketplace. What this does is it allows people to buy a house and it brings that monthly payment down, as it's now going to be amortized over 40 years versus 30 years or shorter terms. We also have bridge financing, or buy before you sell. One of the problems in the market is a lot of people want to buy a house, they may have to sell their house before they buy, and with the lack of inventory, that's created a little bit of a gridlock or a problem. There are now solutions for those that have a house to take a bridge loan to purchase their new home and sell their home at a later date. So if you have a question about this product or any other products that are out there right now, please call us here at the office. We'd love to talk to you. And we just want to say thank you so much for all of those of you that have been sending us referrals and supporting us this year. We're super grateful to be working in such a great community. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.